Today we're going to look at an Otto Hutt. It comes with an outer sleeve, and the sleeve will vary depending on the pen you're looking at. We're looking at the Otto Hutt Design 7, and the sleeve is a silvery color, and they'll all have the Otto Hutt logo here. They've been making pens since 1920, as you can see right in their logo. I love their logo. It's somehow both fun and classy at the same time. They have a really nice, simple white box inside with their name on it again. They've got their tagline here, excellent writing instruments. And then made in Germany. All of their pen components are made in Germany. It's a slide off top. You just open it right up. And inside is a cardboard inset, and your pen the pins fit right in there snugly, and it's in a pen sleeve, and inside it's also going to be wrapped in tissue. It's almost like opening a gift. So pretty. Open this up, and you lift up the false bottom. You have your Otto Hutt ink converter, and they've got their brand right there on it. You have a pen sleeve included with your purchase with the Otto Hutt brand right here, made in Germany. Your pen also comes with a package of 5 ink cartridges, Otto Hutt brand, and these are blue. I believe they'll come in black or blue. And then you have your information about the company and your excellent writing instrument, and then you can fill out the back. And then also included is an Otto Hutt pen cleaning cloth. And last but not least, you have the information about your pen. And right here in the back of this, it explains the number that you'll find at the bottom of the cap. It's a 6-digit ID code that they inscribe into the cap of each of their items. And also, this is the same number that you'll enter. Design 7 fountain pen. It has a pinstripe design on the silver, and it's really classic and classy. Your Otto Hutt Design 7 has a lever clip. You'll notice the Otto Hutt brand here at the bottom of the cap, the Otto Hutt logo on the end cap. And then on the back, as we mentioned earlier, it'll say Germany, because all the pens from Otto Hutt are made in Germany. And then underneath that, there will be a small inscription of a number, a 6-digit number that is a unique identifier. Every Otto Hutt item has a unique identifier. This pen has a screw-on cap, and it is postable. This is a 2-tone nib in 18-karat gold, and it's in extra large format. The Otto Hutt branding is also featured there on the nib. You unscrew the barrel like so. You can choose to insert your ink converter if you want to use bottled ink, or you can choose to insert one of the 5 ink cartridges that was included with your pen right here. But this is just basically a placeholder. So your pen will arrive with that, and you just remove that and replace it with one of your ink cartridges or your ink converter. This Design 7 is known as Otto Hutt's flagship design. It's been called the essence of artistic perfection. It's been described as being energetic. It's been described as being the perfect combination of form and function. I just like to call it beautiful. And I do, although when I first heard it described as energetic, it made me look at the pen twice, and it's true, because to me, the combination that they have here of the silver with the pinstripes and the body shape, it almost creates a sense of movement, and I think that's where that descriptor comes from. So it's an energetic pen design. Who knew? If you like the look of this Otto Hutt Design 7, but you would rather not get it in the fountain pen, you could check out the roller balls, because they're also available. Find more information at pinstriped.com.